Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I just want to talk about how to become a successful business person. How will you know that you will indeed become a successful person operating business? First, you are supposed to pull out small amount and then you test yourself, your capability of operating a business. Don't just pull out a lot of money and then you dump into business because you've seen other people are doing and they have become successful. Just do you. Pick out some small amount, test it on business, and then you see if you can make profit out of that. So if you make profit out of that small business that you have started, then keep expanding it. So as time goes on, you will become an entrepreneur. So if you just do business because other people are doing, then this one will actually have a negative impact on yourself. So you are supposed to make a business that you know you are capable of operating. Don't just move around and you see so and so has a lot of customers, so and so has got a lot of people coming in his or her shop, and then you feel like this is the business that works. In every business there are challenges of which you cannot know unless you are in that business. So you just don't have to pull out your money because you have money and then you have the capability of coming up with something so big, and then you pull out your money, you put into something. You are going to burn your money. So for you to be sure of what you are doing, then operate a small business and then make sure that you have passion of that business. Don't just do it, just have passion of that business and it will take you far. Take my advice and then you will come and thank me later.